Alright, I screwed up. So, I filmed this whole dag blasted video without any audio. So, I'm basically gonna kind of show y'all what I'm doing. So, I made some catfish chum. I took a 20-pound bag of birdseed and 2 boxes of strawberry Jello, 3 bottles of beer, a half a bottle of that Gulp Alive garlic spray. I wanted shad, but I couldn't find shad. Um, a kettle of hot water, and then kind of add water as you go. And this is what you get. That's what you get. That is going to make some really, really damn fine, dang fine catfish chum. Now, check your regulations at whatever state you're watching this from and make sure it's legal there. But, yeah, that's going to be my catfish chum, and I'll put the recipe in the description below. This is JMP Outdoors saying thanks everybody for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, all that good stuff. And, you know, hey, 86% of y'all are not subscribed. So, I would like, my birthday is in a week. Well, give or take. My birthday is on May 25th. I would like to hit 450 on my birthday. 500 would be nice, but I'm at like 442. I would like to hit 450 by my birthday. Alright, guys. Thank you. Bye.